Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dynamite on the piano. We will start by identifying the four core chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These chords form the foundation of the entire song. Next, we will learn the simple, consistent 4-beat rhythm for your left hand. Practicing smooth transitions between these chords is crucial for a fluid sound. This initial step sets you up for success in mastering the song. Now, let's move to your right hand and tackle the catchy melody. We will focus on the specific notes that make up the verse, ensuring accuracy. Understanding the syncopated rhythm is key to capturing the song's energetic feel. Practice slowly at first, coordinating both hands to play the verse section smoothly. This step requires patience, but it is essential for bringing the melody to life on the piano. Next, we will dive into the exciting chorus and the contrasting bridge. The chorus features a slightly different chord progression and a powerful melody that you will master. The bridge offers a unique melodic and rhythmic feel, providing a nice change of pace. Focus on building dynamics and increasing your tempo gradually in these sections. These elements add depth and excitement to your overall performance of the song. Finally, it is time to put all the pieces together and perform the entire song. Start by playing through each section, then gradually connect them, focusing on smooth transitions. Maintaining a consistent tempo from beginning to end is vital for a polished sound. Remember to add your own personal flair and expression, making the song truly yours. With practice, you will be playing Dynamite confidently and joyfully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.